what happens. About 100 feet out, you know, we decided we're gonna tie these down because I forgot to do that.
Whoa!
Okay. Oh, me. Kohler. That's good. It's on. We may have made our money back in one item.
What up,
What
Justin?
up?
What up?
Got the coffee.
Coffee?
And we're on our way to pick up our first 2 pallets. So we just arrived at the liquidation.com warehouse. We have our trailer here and we're getting ready to walk inside because we don't know what we're doing. So we got to try to figure out how we're going to get our first 2 pallets. So you see us here, we're walking up into the warehouse. We see a guy taking out pallets, so we realize we're in the right spot. So we walked inside. There's some signs that we are reading. We're trying to figure out what to do. A couple things, there's a sign-in form, QR code asking for order numbers, but we realize here that we probably need to ring the bell. So we ring the bell to try to get someone's attention. Now we're waiting. I don't know if we're allowed to record, so we are just standing outside and waiting for someone to help us figure this out. There's a QR code on the outside door, probably what we need to do, but here comes someone and we're checking our order number, and she tells us we can't record, so we walk out. Now that we got instructions on what to do, we're gonna text the number, our username, what kind of car we're in, and we just sit and wait for our pallets to come to us. So just gonna enjoy the sun a little bit. So, you know, we're working the kinks out right now. I'm trying to find my username because they need my username to text to them to pick up the pallets. So we're gonna do that. There's ours. How's it going, man? Do you think you can fit it on that trailer? Yeah, thanks, bro. I appreciate it. Just like that. All right, there's one. That's the Home Depot. Professional. The trailer's a little bit, you know, the weight distribution, but, you know, it's okay. We're going to take it slow. All right, so, you know, about 100 feet out, you know, we decided we're gonna tie these down because I forgot to do that. So that's what we're doing right now. All right, we got these things tied down. We are ready to go. Let's do it.
Yo guys, we're back to our base. Yo Nico, check this out. Look what we got over here. I think that's the only fan we
got only fans here.
That ain't no seat, that's a throne.
That's a throne. What we're doing right now, we are going to unload our first pallet. This pallet this is our Home Depot pallet. We paid $260. From what it looks like, we have a couple toilets. We have maybe a microwave. So we're gonna see, our goal is obviously to double our money on this. We're gonna see what happens. So let's get to unboxing. A broken toilet.
I know what we're gonna do with it.
We're gonna shoot it. Yeah, come on. Okay, our first pallet. We're down to 1 toilet left. We got 2 toilets that say broken on it, and a beat up cabinet, a microwave that looks nice from the outside, and that's our first pallet. So we got 3 toilets. We're gonna have to see how broken these 2 are. Maybe we can salvage them. Let's start with the broken stuff. We already know this is broken. We're gonna see how broken are they.
Whoa! We got a Superman over here.
So, what's broken about it? That's the idea. Stop. Missing or damaged part, do not return the product to the store. We can help you faster.
They said stop.
Maybe it actually doesn't work. Oh. Oh, we can't even sit on that.
Damn.
We can't even shoot this thing. Wah, 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 wah. How about we try the toilet that isn't marked, bro? Come on. Come on. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Come on. Okay.
Okay.
We got a toilet seat.
Yeah, it looks like a.
Oh, wow. Look, it's a slow. Oh,
You just think it was a slow close because
Yeah.
your finger was
Yes.
stopping it from closing?
it was. Yeah. Well, let's skip that part.
Let's just skip. Hey,
Okay.
Looks like a toilet to me. Kohler. That's a good
This
that's a good
looks like it's in good shape. Maybe somebody took a shit in it first. It looks like it's in good shape. Oh, there's a crack. Okay. So, man, we can sell it as damaged.
Oh, you can see it on the inside?
Okay, let's see what we got. We're not gonna have any problems with this one. I have really good feelings. Look at this.
Look at it.
It looks like it's in the packaging. It looks like it's actually pretty good. This is brand new. This is literally brand new. Oh,
Oh, it's on.
it's on.
Oh, it works.
Brand new. Look at this. This is crazy. Okay. We may have made our money back in one item.
Come on.
Let it be the opposite part broken. That way we can put it together.
I feel like the
Same
easiest
thing, guys.
to break
Same
is
thing.
The one on bottom.
Listen, guys.
These are some vacuum assist.
Broken.
It is very broken.
All right.
I feel like
We want to return it.
this should be a learning.
We want to return it.
All right. Put it right on the table.
On the table.
Yep. All right, guys.
What do we got?
Is this another cabinet? World.
Acoustic material surface burning characteristics. I think we should just
look it up to see
let's look it up because it may be better off if it's just sealed.
Insulation, yeah.
Ceiling tile or roof tile?
Ceiling tiles.
Oh, like.
Retail value, guys.
I think
Retail value $125. Okay, sealed, unopened. This is brand new. Yeah,
Unpainted.
it's not painted, so they can
Yeah, so they can
it
paint whatever
white.
color.
exactly. 24 by 34. Can you look that up? So we're on our last package for the Home Depot pallet, and I think we got a couple items that we could sell and realistically make our money back. We got a brand new microwave. We got some ceiling tiles and this cabinet. Last item,
Here. It's HP 1.
What in this?
a
This
shelf.
looks like a shelf.
Heavy duty,
Heavy
5-tier,
duty.
adjustable, retail price about $130.
Oh.
Holy shit.
And it's brand new.
Brand new. I think we found ourselves a winner. Okay? Our first pallet
We'll find out. We'll find
is a winner. I'm calling it right now. It's a winner. Brand new stuff. We can sell it. I think we did good.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. 10 years later.
10 years later.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, you guys had fun watching us unbox our first ever pallet. This first ever pallet was a pretty much success for us. So catch us next time when we're unboxing another liquidation pallet. Subscribe, like, follow us for more.